make simple cassava candil. First, I will discuss what is cassava candil. Candil cassava is a traditional Sundanese food made from the main ingredients of cassava, usually served during cold weather, and the feasting known as takjil. And here I only use 3 ingredients, namely 750 grams of grated cassava, 250 grams of brown sugar, food coloring according to taste. For the first step, I mix the food coloring into the grated cassava, then stir and in the dough in a round shape. Do it until it runs out. Then boil enough water to boil the cassava. Stir gently until it floats, then drain. Replace the boiled cassava, mix brown sugar, then stir and enter returns the drained cassava. Stir until cooked. Turn off the stove and the candil cassava ready to serve. For more detail, you can see the video that I made. Okay, this is my video how to cook it. For taste, the broth is just the right sweetness and the cassava is juicy, perfect for dessert or iftar meal, but it is better of eaten it hot cold weather. Maybe enough from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and see you next video. Bye.